make a video, talk a little bit about the importance of having patience in the market. Um, let's see, so first we'll look at Bitcoin. It's at 88.16. It's on a 6-hour chart here. I want to tell you a little bit about my trade the other day. Got a little impatient and I ended up selling it for only 30% gain. Right after that, I sent it to my wallet on Exodus, and literally during the transaction, how long it took for it to get there, a couple hours. They do withdrawals like 3 times a day or whatever. Bitcoin skyrocketed, so I wasn't about to send it back over there. Right here, you can see the trade. I got in at 77.41, exited at 77.63, and so it was only $4 on a $12 trade. I had 900 back in it, and my liquidation, I believe, was at 3,900, 38.50, something like that. I'm gonna scroll down here to the bottom and show you some of my other trades. See, this is one I got in at 59.48, exited 61.35. This was a small trade. I had just got liquidated on what was that one? Well, on Bybit here. The order book just didn't fill. I had my number off by like probably $1 maybe, because when you place the order on Bybit, they don't show you the liquidation until the order is filled. So through my own calculation, I was off. So between, I think I bought in at the previously I bought in at 8,300, bought it all the way down to 63. Had orders in, they did not hit, so luckily I had a balance. Otherwise I would have got totally screwed. So that's when I started back right here. I couldn't get in at 3,800 or 42, none of that. Market was moving way too fast. So I got in at 49.48, little gain. After that I was a little nervous, so I had my stop losses set. This one here is a loss from 55.42 to 5,024. You can't let your emotions get involved. I didn't really trust it because of the volatility. Let's see, let's scroll up to the last one. Hello. Gosh. Okay. Hate it when it does that. Okay, well, while it's loading, let me tell you what I went ahead and did. I took my money that I had, gain with my gains. I sold it, and what I did was I put it in TD Ameritrade. And over here, what my objective is, buy high yielding, dividend paying stocks. Basically, on the highest risk ones, put the most money in. When they go down, add to them, and we're going to see what the difference is. Let's see, this one's at $3.90. Let's see, I'm down $28 for a 4.57% gain when I purchased. This is a pretty new account, so I'm not too worried about it. I'm in at a low number anyway. This one here, let's pull up the chart on it. Let's see, I'm in at what, 390. So let's see. Come on, chart. Yeah, what I was wanting to do is show a comparison from how patience pays off and other things to do with the crypto to always make it make more money is what's important. We're going to go to the, let's see, 6-month chart. TD Ameritrade, they don't have the best charts until you get the Thinkorswim. Okay, so it was over here, what, $17? I'm in at $3.90. That's a hit. If it goes back up to 17 bucks, that'll be a huge win. Uh, so we're gonna always make more money no matter what. Um, got me to thinking. I seen this thing over here. They are offering now a automatic trader. Let's see where we at. Auto trade. Okay, so they are offering an auto trade, which if you can place your orders and have an awesome bot, that's pretty good. I don't think that's how this one works. They're gonna do it a little bit different, and it got me to thinking about in 2017. Uh, I was trading Bitcoin, made a little bit of money. Um, my favorite exchange at the time was Binance. Binance was pretty new. Not a lot of people traded on it. At the time, they did not have USDA or USD exchange. So you couldn't sell your position and it go into USD value. And so, I ended up buying $12,000 worth of Ripple, and it went up to 35,000. And I'm like anyone else. I'm like, oh yeah, hell yeah, let's. The account was about 20 days old. I put probably 4,000 in, triple my money in 10 days or less. And then I switched it all over to Bitcoin. Uh, Ended up getting the account to about 35,000. And because you couldn't sell it to USD, at the time that I think I had 3 Bitcoins on the exchange, they had a limit of 2 Bitcoins per day. I didn't want to go through the KYC. I didn't want that much money hitting my bank account. All of that was involved, so I just kind of let it ride out. And long story short, I lost a fuck ton of money. So right after that, I started this crypto hopper, and I had forgot about it. And let me switch over here and let y'all see what's going on. Okay, so had BNB tokens, Ether, 525 days ago from I guess today. It says this is the balance in here. I haven't paid the subscription, so I really don't know if I can withdraw the balance or trade, or if it's just not updated from the time that I did it. So that'll be curious to see. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna fund this account again with BTC, and I'm gonna trade it against the TD Ameritrade over here, Crypto Hopper. If you don't know, it's automatic. You set up your RSI, um, any kind of indicators you want. What I usually do, or what I'm going to do now, is I'm going to trade BTC against USD value, and I'm going to have a select coins, Ethereum, of course, maybe some Litecoin, uh, not a whole lot of shit coins in the mix. Few, put a little money in, but on this one, you pay 20 bucks a month, you get I think 80 positions, something crazy like that. Um, got a panic button. If you get nervous, you fucked off all your money, hit panic if you want to. Me, I'm gonna hold it and keep adding to my losses until they come back up. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. But yeah, so far, crypto hopper. Last time I messed with it, it was new. People didn't know a lot about it. They haven't exit scammed, so that's awesome. Pretty excited about it. Let's see here. Yep, no subscription. They do take BTC now. I think when I did it, they just did PayPal. Um, I'm also going to the Fundus account again. I moved the money around, so I think profits from my Cash App. Um, right now, I've got I think only 1 or 2 trades. I got Netflix, and I've got Total Vanguard market on my Cash App. Um, Market's down today, I think about 3% all the way around on that one. Bitcoin, looks like it's got a little resistance up here. Some people don't like to hear all about the resistance and support and all that, and that's fine. I think it's going to be coming back down personally. We'll be able to get in a lot better price. If you want to do the crypto hopper, whatever. I don't have a link for that. I might put one in the description. Um, yeah, this channel is going to be about making money, and see how it goes. I don't know what else to say. If y'all got any questions, I'm going to also be doing over here on TD Ameritrade. For those of you that like leverage trading, I'll show you my position here. And Ford Motor, in 2008, I seen it at around $1 a share. They actually didn't take the bailout until all the other ones did, and then they kind of jumped on the bandwagon with it. They went ahead and took theirs. Um, so let's see here, it's at 492, and I mean, I'll buy that one all the way down. I think it's easy money. They pay a pretty high dividend. I think it's about 12% annually. Um, if it goes down too low, I'll try to leverage my options, so to speak, and I'll do an options trade on it. If you don't know what that is, I'll show you real quick. Let's see here, trade. Let's go to options. Uh, Basically, it's a 100 times leverage trade on a time frame. Instead of buying it down through liquidation number, you're buying time out in the future. So let's see here. We'll do Ford Motor. Look it up. Yeah, so you buy it out into the future. Each day that goes by, it's got a decay factor like radiation. So if you buy it too far out and your number doesn't hit, you lose money in the future. It's called intrinsic value. Um, you can look all that up on YouTube. I'm not trying to do all that. What I'm going to show you is how to make money fast. Hopefully, that's the idea. Okay, so let's go over here and look. Okay, so I don't like that view. That doesn't really tell me a lot. What they do is they put, expiration. You can buy a week out, 2 weeks out, 3 weeks out. For instance, let's open this one up. This is going to expire in 7 days. So you got $4.50 call option. It's at 43 cents. It lost 19 cents today. It's a week out. It's not looking like it's going to go up. So, yeah, it's horrible. Somebody's going to lose some money if it don't change. Let's see. This one's all the way to January 21st. Right in the middle of the video. That's awesome. Let's see. Okay, 630 days till expiration. We can buy the $5 call option at $1.50. The change on it today is 0. Basically, you hit this $1.50 and it'll pull it up and show you what the order is going to be. Strike price $1.50. If you buy one contract, it's going to times it by 100, and that's how much you would owe. Let's see here. So 492, 4.92. So yeah, $490 is what that would cost to do that contract. To bet that in 2 years or a year and a half. What? How far out was it? Okay, yeah. So not next year, but the one after, early in that year. So if it goes up, it's going to go up daily. The original price that we're looking at, $4.92. It's at $1.50. It's the last bid. Last actual traded number was $1.54. There's 22,830 people that also did that trade today. I'm only looking to do that if my share value drops to a part I'm not comfortable with, 20, 30%. I'll go ahead and instead of buying up the shares, I'll just do a call and put $500 on it for 2 years out. And if it don't make up the price in 2 years and go above $5, then the world's coming to an end, I suppose. They're a pretty good car manufacturer. Also, like Tesla, price is way too high right now. I'm trying to get back in that about 350 to 450. I wish I could do a nice options trade on that out for 2 years. SpaceX, they also own that. Tesla does, but it's a private company. So what I'm thinking is in the future, they'll just offer split shares. If you own shares of Tesla, then when they go public with SpaceX, which Elon Musk has said he will, if after he lands, spaceships on Mars or whatever. So that'd be interesting to see, and I think that'd be a great value. Anyway, it could go to 5,000, but that's a great value. I think man's brilliant. Yeah, I guess this is going to close up this video for now. And oh yeah, let me do a disclaimer. I'm not a financial wizard or anything like that. Uh, don't do anything I do unless you're totally comfortable with losing everything. The stock market is risky, all that fun stuff that we do in crypto. They do it with so-called real money, fiat money that they just write off on paper. So you got to be very careful and I guess pick wisely. I don't know, leave comments in the comment section, and I don't know. I'll check back with you when I fund the account, and we'll see what's up. All right, y'all have a good night. Appreciate it.